Hey Sarah, thank you for having me. And I think that the problem that you're having, it's common. It's quite common between staff, and I've had other staff tell me the same thing. Students do tend to do that. Go ahead and each one do your part, and then like the day before it's due, everyone kind of decides to go ahead and put their parts together, and that's kind of the end of the relationship. So I just wanted to say that a big way of kind of doing this is kind of having them work together for a longer period of time, kind of to have them build a relationship. Also, to keep in mind that group size is absolutely essential. It's also a good thing. Um, Beyond that, you should also take into consideration that teacher selected heterogeneous groups are much better. They were more functional than the students selecting them of the or the teacher. That groups should have a long period of time. Why? Because we want them to have that kind of relationship when they are interdependent, where they are asking one another how they can kind of work together to make things a little bit better. So I do think that if you were to apply those three things essentially, kind of have them to kind of marinate, in other words, with one another, get to know who each one is and how they can be of some help to another would be absolutely essential. Keeping in mind that the beauty about having groups is having the different unique traits and you bringing them to the table and seeing how you can make an excellent project and teamwork based on everybody else's traits. So I would really look into keeping the size small again, and then also keeping the groups heterogeneous and remaining and having them have a long time relationship.